going to show you my bug out bag.
Okay.
So first I have a comb with a mirror in case I ever need to comb my hair. And then
What kind of bag did you choose?
I chose this bag because it's pretty, and you don't have to just carry it around. You can drape it over your shoulder too.
Okay.
And in here I have my sewing kit.
Okay.
It's got some string, and I picked some string that I usually wear blue a lot, and so I picked some string that would be good for blue. I have some foil in case I need to wrap anything like food up and keep it.
Can you also use foil for cooking?
For cooking and for fire. Can I use it for fire?
Not for cooking on a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I have my first aid kit in here. I've got Band-Aids, an anti-septic towel.
Antiseptic? Yeah.
And then I have a triple antibiotic.
Antibiotic ointment. Good.
And I have tissues in case I ever have to blow my nose, or I have to wipe up some scraped blood. And then I was gonna put this in there, but I didn't have time. It's my pain relief pills.
So like aspirin?
Yeah.
So you have all your first aid stuff in its own case?
Yeah. I have a notepad. In this bag, I have a pencil sharpener in case I ever need to not sharpen a pencil, in case I ever need to have a sharp blade. But I have batteries in case my flashlight goes out. And I have a clip.
Good.
I have a pen for that too. Here's another notepad in case that one runs out. This mirror is not too good, and so I use this more clear mirror.
Oh, so you have a second mirror?
Yeah, because the other one isn't too good.
You could also use a mirror to signal somebody, right? By flashing it with the sun?
With the sun, yeah. And I have my flashlight.
Good.
And I have some chapstick. I have my pocket knife.
Okay, what kind of pocket knife is it?
It's, I forgot.
Swiss Army knife?
Swiss Army.
It
has tweezers in it.
Yeah.
Oops. It's got a nail filer and a screwdriver. It's got scissors.
Good.
It's got a pen.
Comes right out the end. Yep. Cool.
I've got a bottle opener with a screwdriver.
Good.
And then I have my basic knife.
Good.
And then I think that's it.
That's it. And it all fits in that bag. Good job.